Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks. We're back in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from OUTU School of Community Medicine. And in front of us, we're calling this the Cabbage Roll Casserole. We're making a poem here. This is
We
great.
really are. We're
This
rhyming.
is beautiful. It's beautiful.
Thank you. It's very festive too with the garnish. So what we have is, like you said, cabbage roll casserole, and I really wanted to make something that was easier than rolling your own cabbage rolls, because usually it's a whole process of steaming the cabbage and making the filling and then rolling it up. And so this all tastes the same, but it's just much easier. And so we're just gonna start with some brown rice. This is some chopped mushrooms, okay, goes right in. Onion and garlic, also chopped already, go right in.
That's what I'm smelling right now, right?
Yes, it's definitely
that's
smelling.
good, yeah.
Yes. And then we're gonna go with some lentils, and we have brown lentils, but you could use red lentils, green lentils.
Can I ask a crazy question?
Absolutely.
What's a lentil?
Oh, good question. So a lentil is a pulse, actually. It's kind of like a bean.
Okay.
But they are much quicker cooking. They're very high in fiber, they're high in protein, and they taste really, really good.
And they're healthy, and that's what we're all about.
That's right.
Okay.
Okay, so you get this all mixed together, and usually if we were using salt and pepper, then I would be big into measuring, but a couple of teaspoons of dried herbs, you're not adding any fat or calories with that. So this gets nicely mixed together, and I already have our pan sprayed so that it doesn't stick.
Okay.
This is just gonna go right into the bottom of the pan.
And you're just using, what is this, canola oil?
Yeah, so
Because it's
canola
healthier,
oil,
or- yeah.
yeah, it's gonna be better than like a corn oil or just a vegetable oil, but canola oil, olive oil, that's where you wanna be with that. Give this a nice spread around in the pan just to even it out. The cabbage goes right on top, so you can see obviously this is much, much easier than rolling up cabbage rolls. All right, so this goes right on top. I am gonna give it a little sprinkle of salt and pepper. When I say sprinkle, there's about a half a teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna go with a good pinch, half to a whole teaspoon of ground black pepper. This is low sodium vegetable stock.
Okay.
Okay, and it's just gonna go right in. Obviously this vegetable stock is made with a lot of carrots and tomatoes. It's very red.
You can tell by the color.
Yes.
How easy is this dish? This is super easy.
It's way easy.
Yeah.
And so then this, after it gets all of the liquid poured into it, it's gonna go into the oven at about 375 degrees, covered with foil.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and get these tomatoes on here. Okay.
So we put those on.
Yep.
We're going to put foil on top. 375. Okay.
For an hour, because the rice and the lentils do take some time to cook, and especially because we're not starting with hot liquid, it's gonna take some time to heat up and then do its bubbly, steamy thing.
Yeah.
And then
Okay.
this is gonna get covered with foil, cooked for, like I said, about an hour. You're gonna take the foil off, cook it for another 20 or 30 minutes until the liquid is absorbed.
That's why
And-
we take it off. Get
Right.
rid of that.
Right, because
Okay.
that'll allow the moisture to actually evaporate so you don't have like a soupy casserole.
Perfect.
And then it's done.
And then it comes out looking like this.
Yes.
This is great.
And it freezes very well too. And you could portion this for lunch, portion it for dinner, put it in the freezer, put it in the refrigerator, lots of meals. It's a big meal.
You could feed an army with this. All
Small
right.
army.
Small army. There we go. Chef Val, thank you very much for checking us out and talking about this. We want to tell you that all the recipes you're going to find on our website. You know the address, kgrh.com. Chef Val, thank you very much.
Thank you.